Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR7820 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR7820 support, and you want to search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA TR7820. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, select the master setup and the download button for that. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. And then this should be a verified publisher. Select yes. And then select your language and your region as well. And then just continue with the setup file here. Select start setup, and then just walk through it depending on your setup needs and what your configurations like on your printer and your computer. So it's going to be a little bit different for everyone from here on out, but pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.